What's up, guys? So today I'm going to teach you how to do a donut in a remote control car. As you can see, the rear wheels are actually covered in a tape, both of them. So like that it can help you lose traction and not struggle, of course. So yeah, I'm going to teach you how to do a donut. So watch this. Watch my rear wheels spin. Just watch them. Watch them. Watch. Just look. Look at that. Just look at the car. Look at the car. Look, I can't even launch the car. Oh, shoot. Guys, this is pretty fun to do with your remote control car because it's a lot of fun to do. Oh, shoot. Hang on, I have to actually move the remote control car. Hang on, guys, I gotta move again. Guys, look at the remote control having fun. Hang on. Guys, just look at it having fun. I mean, like, look. Alright, guys, that is gonna end. I'm gonna end this vlog here. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and write a comment down below. Take care.